Recently, sir, we saw a video circulating online whereby some Christian leaders, well, let me call them big shot, where they were doing a solidarity rally for FCT Mr. Wike, were laying a course, a hook course. So, your reaction to that, sir?
Who course on who? If courses work, the person they are doing it for would have died of courses. That's Wike. Those guys are just jokers. In the first place, I want to know where they buy these fake bishop clothes in Abuja. That market should be banned. The truth is that religion has become part of how people are deceived in this country. And a lot of hungry people just use religion. And like I said, it is without exception. It doesn't matter whether you have a big church or a stadium. Anybody who is deceiving people in the name of religion, they're all the same. So, and I never have any respect for, and part of our biggest problem in this country is religion. They've used it to scam people for too long, And I can tell you because, I work for God without a church, without a religion.
So how will you describe the recent trending video of Nigerian lawmaker Senator Oshiomhole seeing a romantic lover with a South African lady?
Yeah, we were discussing him last time. Yeah. He was saying that prices of goods, and I told you that guy has no integrity. I didn't know that this video will come out. It's very sad. These guys, they live in alternate universe and alternate reality. Imagine somebody who is complaining that things are too cheap in Nigeria, removing subsidies from the poor. They are subsidizing their libido. That's what it is. And it's not the only one. All of them are doing it. So it just happened that maybe this person didn't act according to the agreement not to expose the video. Maybe Senator was not aware that it was being videotaped. But you have to give it to him that the way he handled the legs, that he has been in this business for a long time.
So last question, sir.
Yes.
So what is your own perspective regarding the whereby a young lady was killed by snake bite? And when we look at the Nigerian hospital sector, we discover that about 80% of Nigerian hospitals actually lack anti-venom distance. So
we are talking about anti-venom. Anti-venom is the smallest of all our issues. So let's be discussing fundamentals. Hospitals or healthcare systems are supposed to have three components: primary, secondary, and tertiary. All of them have collapsed. So if you are talking about venom, what about anti-malaria? What about antibiotics? What about immunization for children? We don't have any of those. So this young lady, I feel very sad for her that she was a victim. Like we always say, Nigeria happened to her. That's what happened. I just wish that she would rest in power. I don't really know her, but I felt bad because I eventually saw her video. Nigeria kills its most promising young ones on an hourly basis. And that's why people like us, we never let these people get away with it. And that's why we get into trouble. Good trouble. All right?
beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.